In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix being kicked by PUNKBUSTER in Battlefield 4. Firstly, press Windows plus R, then type task ngr, then press enter. Go to the Services tab, then look for PUNKBUSTER or PUNKBUSTER. Right-click on that service, then click Restart. If the service is not running, click Start instead. Try launching Battlefield 4 again, and if the problem continues, go to the next steps. Press Windows plus R, then type services.msc, then press enter. Find PUNKBUSTER and double-click it to open the properties. Now set Startup type to automatic, and if the service is running, click Stop. Then click Start again. Go to the Recovery tab, and for first failure, second failure, subsequent failures, select Restart the device, then click Apply, then OK. Now open BF4 and try joining a server again. The error should now be resolved.